Hey guys, welcome back to another Vegas Pro tutorial video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to use Gaussian blur effect and keyframes to pair them and make transitions. So today we're going to be using two clips and we're going to make a transition using the Gaussian blur effect, and we're going to be using keyframes or animating keyframes, however you want to put it. Well, that's what today's video is all about. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to watch my last video. That would really help you understand keyframes and how they're used and how they can be used. Onto the video. So first of all, we want to open up our Vegas Pro as we always do. First step, opened. Now you gotta select your two clips. For the purpose of this video, we have these two clips. So this is gonna be the first clip, transition into this drone clip. So drag it, make sure it's at the it's right, it's aligned. Yes, and we're gonna open it a little bit. And first step, you wanna mark the area you want to have the Gaussian blur. So in your keyboard, you can just click on M. It brings up this marker, and you can just write Gaussian. So this helps you indicate at which point you should apply your Gaussian blur effect. So this is just to make life easier. Second step, you want to go to your effects and you want to go to Vegas Gaussian blur, add, OK. And now this is where business is done. Click on this, get your keyframing set up. Make sure this is on 0, always. Make sure it's on 0. Now you want to get the time of this. This is where our transition is gonna start from here to the end. So we want to get the cursor position, which is here. Double tap, Ctrl C or right click and copy, double tap, Ctrl V or paste and click enter. Our cursor position has been aligned. Right here, we're just gonna add a keyframe and we're gonna lift this up to about 0.06. Sorry, 0.6. 0.6 is perfect. And you do that, make sure you do that to the both side, horizontal and vertical. Make sure they're the same number or close to the same number. Just make sure they're not different. Aligned it, yeah. So you can see that's good. But if we play our video, we have the Gaussian blur effect starting from the beginning of the video, which we don't want. We want the Gaussian blur to start here. What we're gonna do, just drag your first keyframe, drag it somewhere close, maybe somewhere like this, to put in a fade in. So as you can see, play your video again, you have your clear video, and right now, yeah, you get your effect. So you're done with the first clip. Now you gotta work on the second clip. So for the second clip, we're just gonna drag it on top and we're gonna align it. Second clip, I don't want it to be too long, so I'm just gonna cut it here. And that's it. So make sure it's aligned to 0, and same procedure but a little bit different. So here you want to click on your FX, and what you want to do here, click on your reverse Gaussian blur you want to add and click on OK. Once you do that, this time you do not change this 2 to 0. You increase them. Hold on, we missed a step. We're supposed to open this. Yeah, forgot about that. So you do not want to make this 0, 0. You want to drag it to about 0.6, the same as the end of the first clip. So 0.6, 0.6. Once you've done that, just put this aside, and we want to come here somewhere about, as you can see, this is the time. So where you see 0.02, you want to come there and put your cursor there. And what you want to do, you just want to copy the time, Ctrl C again, and double tap, Ctrl V, click enter, and there you have it. If you believe it's too, how will I put this, the time is too small, you could just increase the time a little bit, maybe exactly 2 seconds. That will be good. Let's make it 2.13. That's good. And we're gonna add a keyframe there. So now it's gonna be fading out. So all you wanna do, very easy step, you just want to reduce this to 0. Both 0, 0, 0. Make sure it's on 0. Once you've done that, just position this part of the video with this part of the video. Drag and align. So if we play the whole video back, let's see the changes that has been made. Here your fade in, Gaussian blur effect, transition, and you have your fade out. It's as easy as that. So although the video is finished, but to make it a little bit better, you could just drag this into the first clip, and that will make it better, extremely awesome. So you can see it's hard to notice there's a change of scene, but it's there. The Gaussian blur covers everything, so looks clean. It's a very good transition, and you could use it in your videos. Instead of using basic transitions, you could use this transition. It's rare, but it's nice. So guys, that's mainly how you do it. It's very easy. In case you didn't understand the keyframing aspect, you could check my first video on keyframing, watch it, understand it. If you have questions, I reply to all questions in the comment section. Just drop a question there and I'll reply you. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have questions, don't forget to ask. Stay positive. See you guys in another video. Peace.